Okay, we're gonna make a comic using the Clips app on the iPad. The Clips app looks like a video camera. It's purple and blue in the background right here. When you open it for the first time, you might have to select allow, things like that. Top left corner is gonna let you choose different projects if you have already been working on one, or you can click the plus to start a new one. Clips works by letting you add and drop in to the timeline pictures or individual videos that you then have to press this red button to record for however long you want it to show up in your little movie. So I'm going to show you how kids could draw pictures for their comic and then drop them into Clips, press and hold to record their voice to tell their story and make a movie. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is kind of learn about these on the side. Up here you have which camera you're using to record. If you are looking at yourself, you can switch it around and do the other one or the front camera. The star is gonna be your video effects. If you would like to use those, you can also add little stickers and text boxes and things like that. And then the picture icon is right here. You do have access to some pre-made posters that you can drop in. Some of them are themed. I can scroll through here and just kind of show you what those different ones look like. This could be maybe like a title slide. So the way it works is you choose it, and then like I said, you're gonna press and hold to record for however long you want it to show up in your video. So I'm just gonna touch and hold the red button, and at the top I can see it's recording for 4 seconds. That's perfect. And then it dropped down here. If I'm happy with this, then I can press the X and it's gonna bring me back to kind of that home screen. And if I press play, I'm gonna see that I just have, and at the top I can see it's recording for, and because I was talking, it is going to record your voice and whatever is on your iPad screen in the Clips app. Okay, so I'm gonna click this button again, and this time I'm gonna choose photos. So in here I have some pictures that could be in my comic strip. So I'm gonna choose the first one, I'm gonna click add. And when I add it, I actually wanna click preview and record. This is gonna let me pinch and shrink, right? Pinch to make it bigger or smaller. And then I'm gonna record for however long I need to and say the dialogue. Once upon a time, there lived a red and orange bird. She was so excited, or whatever the kids would like to put in their story. And then down at the bottom in the timeline, I can see that it's been added to my project. I can click the X if I'm ready to go back. I can keep repeating that same process for other photos for my story. A unicorn had shown up and decided to take the bird on an adventure. And I can continue working on these. I can click down here in the timeline. If I click on any of them, it'll take me to that clip. I have the opportunity to add some effects there if I wanted to. Maybe I can add an emoji and click and drag and move that around on the screen. I could add a little GIF or sticker. I could add text. And then I can also add live titles. This would be like closed captions to whatever is being said in the recording, which is kind of cool. Then I can also mute the audio for a clip if I didn't want the words to happen. So like for this one, I don't want my words to show up. But I do want to edit this one because it's a title slide. So maybe I put my story title here. I can trim clips if I don't want them to be as long as they are. You can split them into multiple sections to do a little bit of editing, and you can also duplicate them. Or if I don't like that clip, I can delete it. Up here in the top right corner, you see a little music note. There is some built-in soundtracks that you can include in your story. They're just little instrumental clips if you would like to add that to your comic strip. And now we can press done, and then let's press play and see what we've got. Once upon a time, there lived a red and orange bird. She was so excited. A unicorn had shown up and decided to take the bird on an adventure. It's easy as that. Once students are done, they can click this share icon in the bottom right corner. They can save this video to their Photos app, and they could also share it directly to your Google Classroom or Seesaw. Have fun.